This right here is a knapsack sprayer. We use it to spray some fertilizers, liquid fertilizers. We also use it to spray some insecticides. Sometimes we use diluted rabbit urine. We can use organic liquid fertilizer that we make here in our home, and then we use it on our plants and on our gardens. So since it's made of many parts, some of the parts at times wears off, especially the rubbers, especially the seals. So you may experience that kind of a problem, and you may need to replace some of these parts. So I'm gonna start first by showing you different parts on this sprayer. So these are the parts here which are labeled. As you can see, we have different parts, but on this video we are mainly going to focus on this rubber seal here. You can now see that here on this picture it was worn off, totally worn off. At this stage here right now, the sprayer or the sprayer bottle was not able to maintain any pressure. When you pump this lever here, it was not able to push any pressure inside the sprayer, so it lost power. So I was not able to spray anything unless I continue pumping and pumping and pumping. So yeah, my hand was getting tired, so I opened it up, removed this seal, and then I changed it with another one, the new one. They usually come with some spare parts, spare rubber parts, spare rubber seals. If you don't have any with you, or if you have used the spare parts or you have lost some, just know that you can go to the hardware store and buy some of their parts. Just take a sample. I hope you will learn one or two things on this video.